Probiotics are microorganisms that are naturally found in the stomach, intestines, and vagina. They can be found in foods like yogurt, milk, and juices, as well as in dietary supplements like capsules, tablets, and powders. Probiotics are used to improve digestion and restore the normal balance of bacteria and yeast in the body. They have been used to treat bowel problems, eczema, yeast infections, lactose intolerance, and urinary tract infections. It's important to check the label on your particular product for information on its specific uses. It's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details on the safety and effectiveness of the product. When taking Quad-Probiotic 8 billion cell capsule antidiarrheal formulations with gut flora microorganisms, it's important to follow the directions on the product package. Depending on the specific product, the dose may need to be swallowed whole, chewed, sprinkled onto food, or mixed with liquid. If using the liquid form, be sure to measure the dose carefully with a special measuring device/spoon to ensure you get the correct amount. For those taking antibiotics, it's important to note that some probiotic products contain live bacteria, which antibiotics may interfere with. To avoid this, it's recommended to take any product containing live bacteria at least 2 to 3 hours before or after taking antibiotics, following the directions for your specific product. If using this product for diarrhea due to antibiotics, it's important not to use it if you have a high fever or for more than 2 days, unless directed by your doctor. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you suspect a serious medical problem, seek medical help immediately. If you experience an increase in stomach gas or bloating, it's important to notify your doctor or pharmacist. Additionally, if you notice any signs of infection, such as a persistent cough, high fever, or chills, be sure to inform your doctor right away. Although a serious allergic reaction to this product is rare, it's crucial to seek medical help immediately if you experience symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Remember, this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. And don't forget, in the US, you can call 1-800-FDA-1088 to report any side effects. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking these Quad-Probiotic 8 billion cell capsules, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies or health conditions. If you have diarrhea lasting more than 2 days, a weakened immune system, recurring vaginal infections, or recurring urinary tract infections, make sure to consult with a healthcare professional before using this product. Some forms of this product may contain sugar and/or aspartame, so if you have diabetes or phenylketonuria, it's important to use caution and speak with your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's important to discuss the risks and benefits of using this product with your doctor before starting. And if you are planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including this one. Now, let's talk about the potential interactions of Quad-Priobiotic 8 billion cell capsule antidiarrheal formulations with other medications. It's important to be aware that some medications, such as antibiotics and antifungals, may interact with certain probiotics. This could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Remember, never start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes. If someone has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek medical help immediately by calling 911 or a poison control center. In the US, you can reach your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. It's important to seek help as soon as possible in these situations. Remember to attend all your medical appointments and lab tests as scheduled. Certain brands of this medication may also include additional ingredients like fiber or inulin. If you have any questions about the specific ingredients in your brand, be sure to consult with your doctor or pharmacist. As for the benefits of this medication, it helps to maintain a healthy balance of gut flora microorganisms, which can aid in reducing diarrhea. The recommended daily dosage is as prescribed by your healthcare provider, and it's best to take it at the same time each day for optimal results. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose. Take your next dose at the regular time. Do not take 2 doses at once. The best time to take this is generally with a meal. When it comes to storing probiotics, it's important to follow the specific instructions on the product package. Some probiotics need to be kept in the fridge, while others do not. If you're unsure about how to store your probiotic, it's best to ask your pharmacist for guidance. And of course, always keep medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to getting rid of expired or unused probiotics, it's important to dispose of them properly. Don't flush them down the toilet or pour them down the drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to get rid of them. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.